Hello, how's everyone doing today? My name is Daniel, aka Real Deal Wealth, and I'm here to bring you an excellent company that has a lot of potential. This company that I'm talking about is ticker symbol BFT, or you can call it Foley Trasimene. So, before we get into the company, I wanted to show you all my Instagram, which I'm trying to promote. I've been posting some more things on my Instagram, including some motivationals, some of my videos, and also some updates on stocks and information that you might miss out on if you're not following me. So, now to the company. The company, BFT, the ticker symbol, is at, it's at 1637 at the end of the market on Friday, and it was up 5% after hours after being down the whole day, like the stock market was the entire day. I bought it at $14.58, my average cost, and I have about 12 shares. It's up almost 13%, around 12. And I also have a call option for October at a call of $20 and a premium of $5.30. So I paid $530 for it, but I feel confident and I feel like calls of $17.50 or greater at July or October for this company are going to get you a lot of money if you get in at the right time. And I feel like right now is the right time before the merger and before any big news comes out. So anything under $17.50 for this company is definitely a buy for me, and I recommend getting into it before it gets really expensive, which after you see this, I think you're going to understand. The company that we're talking about is PaySafe. Bill Foley is the chairman, Philip McHugh is the chief executive officer and director, and Izzy Dawood is the chief financial officer. Some of the prior experience of all of these guys come from Fidelity from Bill Foley. Philip is Citibank, and Wells Fargo for Izzy. So 3 great companies to be a part of that they all can talk about and share experiences about and grow this company with. 13% growth is what they saw this company doing over the next year, which is estimated, and I see it that way as well. I think it's going to be a great company. So let's get a little bit into why I feel this way. So the founder, Bill Foley, he has led 5 separate multi-billion-dollar public market platforms with 100+ acquisitions across them. So he's not new to this acquisition game. This is a fine-tuned guy when it comes to the acquisition game. He's the founder, former CEO, and now chairman of Fidelity National Financial. Built the largest title insurance company, growing equity from $3 million to $11 billion. That is huge growth, everyone. Look at these companies that he's been involved in and the growth out of them. $3 million to $10.8 billion, $2.5 to $91.4, just to name a few. And we could take a look at the other ones. So his team knows how to drive revenue growth and margin expansion in payments, as it says. Let's go down. 75% plus e-commerce and integrated organic revenue out of this company, PaySafe. $103 billion in total volume in 2021 expected, $1.5 in organic revenue in 2021 expected, and 11% organic revenue expected as the growth pattern from 20 to 23. That's amazing. So let's look at what they're a part of. They're number 2 in global stored value digital wallet, number 1 in iGaming eCash network, number 4 in independent merchant acquirer in the US. Companies that they're associated with: DraftKings, Fortnite, Twitch, Spotify. Huge companies. They act as an ATM for these companies. So what they do is they are the transaction middlemen, and they just accrue interest off of these. So they're making money for not doing much. So that's what we want to see out of a company. This company has great founders, it has great beliefs, and it also has a great bet for us to make money. So this is what I'm really liking about this company. It's very excellent. You see all the financials down here. 1.5% overall they take back from the volume that they receive. And the most is in their biggest market where they have 6.8% in iGaming eCash network. That's what I want to see. Other little stuff highlighted, and they're also global. So it's not just the United States, it's not just Canada, Europe, and the rest of the world. It's everywhere in the world that they're located, and they launched in 1999. So they've been at this for a while. 300 plus professional dedicated to risk and compliance and analytics. I really love to see this. This means that this company is going to integrate and innovate. And that's how we make a great company. That's how we put our money into a great company and make money whenever they innovate. With companies such as Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft, all of which have huge innovative factors that made them grow wealth over time. And what we want to do whenever we put money into a company is see things like this. So I'm really bullish on this company after seeing things like that. 20 plus years of experience and 15 deals integrated. And we already talked about the 300 plus professionals dedicated to risk and compliance analytics. They have 120 plus markets. That's a lot of markets. A lot of markets. So let's look at this. Look at these competitors that they're going up against that we're seeing more out of PaySafe than PayPal and Visa, two huge companies that a lot of investors are bullish on over the long term. But I see PaySafe as a money-making opportunity. Look at this change in the iGaming market. That is money to be made, everyone, and we should make it if there's the opportunity. Gaming, they're involved with Fortnite, Roblox, social media, Twitch, YouTube, Spotify, and they're also very diverse when it comes to property management and wellness and memberships, which is what we want to see. We want to see diversity out of these companies. Double-digit growth is what they see. We see that 12% growth from 18 to 19, and from 20 to 23, we're seeing about consistency of 15% growth. And as we go down here, right here, organic adjusted is about 17 to 21, which is amazing. And like I was saying, they're very diversified by segment, diversified by geography, and diversified by vertical. So the companies that they're involved with come from around the world, different kinds of companies, and different types of revenue that come in. So this is the last thing we'll talk about on this presentation, but I mean, look at PaySafe. Look at everything it brings to the table compared to some other these companies. This is great. And this is compared to PayPal, which, if we want to go over here and look, is running at 239.79 a share, and that is all while they have 1.17 billion shares outstanding. So their margin is, or their revenue actually is at 20.3 billion, and they have a market cap of 280.96 billion, which has been growing over the last year, if you can see. So BFT is only at 1559, actually 1637 if we look at Robinhood, with a market cap of 2.859 billion, which I see going up. And if we go to the statistics, if I stop scrolling down as I kept doing, they only have 146.7 million shares outstanding, and we don't even have numbers for the revenue on Yahoo Finance. So once this company comes to its own, it's going to make a lot of money. So let's talk about what the plan is for a company as BFT. We're going to want to buy when it's red. Just like I always say in my videos, you want to buy low. So get this company at a great price. Anywhere from $14, $15, $16, $17 is an automatic buy for me. Just like I talked about in the call options, $17.50 call, July or October and up, that's a buy for me. But just be careful because options are risky. But if you buy them at the right time and you have the confidence in the company, it's really hard to lose your money, and it's really easy to have great gains on those. So do your own research. Look into this company. Tell me how you feel. You can leave it in the comments or send me a message on my Instagram. But this has been Daniel, aka Real Deal Wealth. I hope everyone goes out there and gets you some shares of BFT, because you will make money, trust me. and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.